So it's that time of the year again. My landlord just emailed me saying that your rent will be increased upon renewal, and of course they gave me a 90 days notice. But there are 5 things that I'm definitely going to look into before I renew my Ejari, and if you're also a tenant in Dubai, so should you. Number 1, of course, is the 90-day rule. We all know about it. So your landlord has to give you at least 90 days written notice, mind it, before increasing the rent or changing any terms of the Ejari, right? And if they miss that 90 days window, the rent remains the same. Then the landlord cannot increase it thereafter. Second one is, even if they're giving you 90-day notice, the rent increase has to follow Dubai Rental Index, and the maximum allowed percentage is 20%. So you must check it yourself also on the Dubai Rest application. Now, third one is about maintenance. So by law, it is the landlord's duty to keep the property in, livable conditions and handle all the major repairs. And if they do not cooperate with you, then you can file a request with the RDC Rental Dispute Center, and everything is online. Next is about, eviction. So your landlord cannot just ask you to leave just because they feel like or because they have to stay in that property. They have to give you a valid reason, like if they want to sell the property or, they want to self-occupy it. However, they have to give you at least a 12-month written notice in such case, and not just any random written notice. It has to be either through notary public or registered mail. No WhatsApp, no message, no casual emails. The last one is, if you do not agree with the increase in rental, you think it's unfair, unreasonable, even if it's a new term in your rental agreement, you do not just have to accept it. You can file a complaint with the RDC, that too again online, and many cases nowadays are settled within literally 1 to 2 weeks. So guys, before you renew your Ejari or respond to your landlord's email, make sure that you're checking these 5 things at least. These are the bare minimum, because Dubai does protect the tenants, as long as of course you know your rights. Thank you. Stay informed.